Okay. Oh, that's my eyeball. Now she's obsessed with me. I love your little fur. What fur? Feather bell bottoms. Yeah. You like my Grinch nails? Okay. Well, you're not coming in the house. No chickens in the house. Seriously? I think she knows it's going to get down to 10 degrees tonight, and she just wants to be my favorite. Y'all, I've never had a chicken ride around on my shoulder. This is crazy. Now I'm going to have to look up and see what kind of breed she is, because I've never seen anything like this. But I don't want you to pick my eyeballs out. Yeah. Are you obsessed with me? Which one do you like? You like the Grinch? Like that one? Oh, that offended her. You're amazing. I just can't. Okay. Well, it's going to be 10 degrees, so, like, I got to go back inside. And you're just not welcome in the house. Yeah, not going to happen. I know. You want to get in one of the nesting boxes? No? Y'all. Crazy chicken lady. Are you trying to be a pet chicken? Are you trying to be a pet chicken? Janis Joplin. Bizarre. I have no words. I'm terrified she's going to peck my eyeball. Okay, we got to tell everybody bye. Say bye. Bye. Beautiful girl.